Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Braves Diva, Team JJ, and MoYou London Holy Shapes 19. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and here is Team JJ. This was a Rookie of the Month polish. Love it. And you guys know, yellow, it's not everybody's color, but I love it, and I'm surprised I don't own more. This one's stunning. It's got shimmer and little specks of stuff in it. I love it. I'm digging it. Hi Woody, how you doing? So we're going to go in with the second coat, and I think 2 coats is going to be good for me on this one. Depending on your nail line, you might need 3. It depends on, you know, your application and your nail line, y'all. There we go. I am going to top this one with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I know y'all ready for me to be done with this, huh? Something not available anymore, but I'm going to use up everything I have. And I'm really sad that they quit making this or quit selling it at Walmart because I love this one. Alrighty. So here is a quick photo of Team JJ on its own. Isn't it stunning? Here is MoYou London Holy Shapes Collection number 19. And I've got my Conad stamper and a scraper out. I've got Shut Out by Braves Diva and On the Black to stamp with today. Now, when I went through the plates that Miss Becky sent me, I told y'all I was leaving this plate out so I could make myself use it. Jillie from Jillie's Nails inspired me to get out of my comfort zone and, you know, play with something like this. Some of these, you know, triangles and squares and circles and lines, and so I'm doing it. I am doing it. So I decided I'm just going to be crazy and just do all these nails, all sorts of different images off this plate. I'm going to do black and white. I'm going to do lines and circles. I did clean my stamper off on a lint roller, and then I'm going to keep bumping along. Just going to keep playing. So I'm going to pick these, and I'm telling you, all these images picked up great. I am using a little piece of tape to get up any excess that I don't want on my nail design, and I am just going at it. There was no rhyme or reason with this. Jillie, girl, I went all in. Aren't you proud of me? Oh my goodness. I mean, y'all gonna see at the end, y'all gonna be like, wow, she really went crazy. I'm cleaning that stamping plate off with pure acetone. There is no acetone additive or anything in that. It's just straight up acetone. And when I get done with the plate, I clean it with the acetone and then clean it with just some alcohol and wipe it with a paper towel so that it's not all froggy looking. Here we go. Let's see what we're going to go do with this one. And I am trying to use up any of the stamp that's left. You know, I figured it's there. Might as well go ahead and use it. Go on and use that stuff up. And then some more. I'm just going to keep, like I said, I had no rhyme or reason or idea in my head. I just knew that I had to sit down and play with this plate. And I figured, you know, black, white, and yellow manicure would be perfect. Like my little taxi cab nails or something. And I'm sorry I'm out of frame. The out of frame bandit has struck again. There we go, get in frame. So just some different ideas. You know, you could do accent nails. If you're like me and you're really intimidated by something, just, you know, just do your ring fingernail first. And then that way, you know, if you're not real crazy about it, you've only got one nail, you know. Or if it's frustrating, then you've only frustrated yourself one nail worth. And I did use that stamper to get the excess off of the stamp this time. I don't do that very often because normally it doesn't work for me. And now we're going to start adding some little circles and squares and triangles to, you know, jazz this up a little bit. That, and I'm playing. Y'all know when I get to playing, There's no stopping. You play until every nail's covered, right? I really did enjoy this, though. I had a really good time with it. I enjoyed the manicure, and I wore it for several days. You know, and that's saying something. Hi, Cotton. How you doing? Cotton says, hello, everybody. It's a little jingle, jingle. Okay, and I'm going to get that little square, I think. And I scrape it. I go to pick it up, and drop the stamper. Have you ever done that? I know you have. You might not want to admit it, but you have. So I'm going to clean that off because I'm still going to get me a little square, but now I've decided to go for the bigger one. But what it is that stamper is so sticky that when I went to roll it, it kind of stuck to the plate. I didn't have a good enough grip on it. Just falled. It fall down. So it's okay. Wasn't a catastrophe or anything. So now I've got the bigger square. I'm going to go in and get me a little square here. You know, I told y'all I was just going to go crazy with it. Play, play, play. Keep stamping, stamping. Love it. Alright, so we got a little bit more we can play with. We're starting to run out of room though, so, you know, this manicure will be coming to an end here soon. But once again, I really did enjoy it. And, you know, I know a lot of times y'all tell me that I inspire y'all to do stuff. So many times your comments, things you say, or suggestions, or whatever, they inspire me. I'm trying to figure out what I want. And it's the same for me. I watch other YouTubers, and I'm inspired by them also. You know, I want to give credit where it's due. You guys just have no idea how much y'all propel me to do more, and inspire me to, you know, step out of my box, or just encourage me to do something else. And I appreciate every one of you. There we go. I think that looks cool, the little triangle in the circle. Alrighty. Starting to run out of stuff to do. I'm going to maybe get one more in. Yeah, one more. And this one kind of, I didn't do a real good pickup, or maybe the polish got stringy, but I don't care. I'm going to use it anyway. Go over here in this little corner. It needed just something else. I'm going to top it with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And got to get up close and see what I was doing up in here. And once that's dry, I'll be using Moonshine Manny's Let's Go Top Coat to finish this one off. I would love to hear what you think about this wild manicure, this outside of the box. I would love to hear your thoughts on it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And that, my friends, is my manicure for the day. I love the base color. By the way, Braves Diva's got her anniversary edition coming out this Friday for pre-order. I'll leave a link down below. Here's my swatch photo. And I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.